Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make a beautiful fresh spinach with a fresh tomato sauce. Lots of garlic in there, some beautiful herbs. It's very simple, using a nice brown pasta or a whole grain wheat pasta as well for extra healthiness. What I'd like you to do is cook your pasta now, because we're going to really concentrate on the sauce and then add the pasta at the end. Vegetarian, healthy, delicious and vegan. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here then. So onion, I've cut mine nice and small. Tomatoes, there's about 4 or 5 tomatoes. They're decent sized ones. Nice and juicy. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. Here you can see our spinach. If you're using fresh spinach like this, always give it a nice wash in some cold water. It always has little bits of grit, you know, bits of dirt in it. About 2 tablespoons of garlic, quite a lot of garlic in this one, and then some herbs. We've got about a teaspoon of chili flakes, basil and tarragon. You can play around with that if you want, use something different. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper. Very simple and wholesome. Okay, so I've got my pan here and I've got some olive oil in there. We're going to start off by dropping in our onion. And our garlic. So we want a kind of medium heat. Let that go for just 2 minutes. Fabulous. Get some salt in the mix, some black pepper, and then I'm going to add our dried herbs. So that was basil, tarragon and chili flakes. And like I say, you can play around with that as much as you want. Maybe some oregano, one of those Italian mixed herbs or something. And just for about another 90 seconds, keep this on the go. What I'm going to do now is, because my spinach is quite chunky, it's got some big stalks on it, I'm just going to cut it up a little bit, ready for the pan. So we've got this lovely mixture here of onions, garlic and those herbs. And we're now going to drop in all of our spinach. And for about 3 or 4 minutes, we're going to throw this around in the pan. It will reduce down, you know, it will collapse and probably give off a little bit of moisture. Keep stirring now. Okay, so this is looking absolutely wonderful. As you can see, I've got some kind of big stalks in my spinach that I've got here, which are great in there. What we're going to do now is we're going to drop in all of those ripe tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. We're going to get this on a low heat, not a simmer, above a simmer. Get a lid on it and we're going to let it go for about 7 or 8 minutes. Want those tomatoes to really cook and break down. They might even give off a little bit more moisture as well. We're not far away now. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay. Lid off, steam out. And that is looking fantastic. Those tomatoes broken down really nicely. We've got a wonderful sauce there. What we're going to do now is get our pasta, cooked pasta, and get that in. As you can see, I'm using this penne, which is a whole grain. You can use any pasta you like, actually. And just for 2 minutes, let's run the heat through the pasta. Get the sauce introduced to that pasta, get it on, in and around, and then this is going to be ready. I'll see you at the table. And there you go, steaming hot, straight from the pan. We've got a wonderful brown pasta, keeping it a bit more healthy, with a fresh tomato and spinach sauce with plenty of garlic. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.